with two concepts. If it's standard form, use the cover method to find the x and y intercepts. Plot the points and connect the dots. If it's in slope intercept form, identify the slope, m, and the y-intercept, b. We'll plot b, which is for begin, on the y-axis, and move m according to the slope. Decide if the line is solid, less than or equal, greater than equal, or dotted, less than and greater than. Plug in a test point, true, shade that side, false, shade the other side. Repeat for each inequality. So all we're going to do is put the two ideas together. We just shaded lines a moment ago, we shaded equations. We just talked about inequalities. Now we're going to do two inequalities. So we're not going to look for an intersecting point, we're going to be looking for an intersecting region. A solution to a system of inequalities can be found by shading. And seeing where all the shaded regions overlap. This is the key point. This is why you got to be careful. This is why you got to use pencil. Any point within this area is a solution. If it's in the area. And just like before, if it's dotted and on the line, it's not. If it's solid and on the line, it is. So we're going to shade these two lines. Now, even though cover-up method would be very easy here, so is slope intercept, because all I have to do is move these over. Okay? So I'm gonna do that because it's easier that way. Y is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 4. And when I move this over, it becomes positive. Y is greater than 2x plus 4. Okay? So when I move the 2x over, it becomes negative. Y is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 4. When I move this over, it becomes positive, and y is greater. So I'm going to graph both lines. Now notice, one's going to be a solid line, one's going to be a dotted line. So 2x plus 4, I put a dot right here. My slope is 2. So I'm going to go up 2, right 1. Up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. Down 2, left 1, and so forth. And the more dots you have, the better it's going to be. Now, straight line is not as important here because we're talking about regions. Now, we're going to test the point. 0, 0. Okay? 0 is less than or equal to 4. True or false? True. I made a careless error.
Uh-oh. That's not good. You can only make errors.
Okay, so my slope, I went the wrong direction. Forgot my slope was negative. So back up at 4, okay, I'm going to put down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, and so forth. Up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1. Okay, so my slope is going to look like this, my line. Now, the testing is still true. So 0 is less than 4. So when I shade this, I'm going to shade this way. And you're going to see why I was talking about earlier, just drawing lines instead of shading. Because it's going to be hard to tell if you shade really heavy. So that's that line. Now we're going to go back and do the other line of 2x plus 4. So this one, actually I could have left that other line, because that other line was this one. I just was thinking 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, and so forth. And there's going to be that line. Now, here's where it gets hard. And that's why colored pencils kind of help. I'm going to test this point, 0, 0. 0 is greater than 4. No. True or false? False. That's false. So what I'm shading now from this line is this way. Okay? That's why you want to shade very carefully. All right? So, here's where you shade heavy. Which space has both shadings? Well, it's in this area right here. It's under this line and above this line, so it's this area right here. This is the I'll show it here for you. Okay, it's that one. Okay, so it's that region there. That's the answer. So it says, is 3,2 a solution? Is that a solution? So that's no. Is -1, 5 right there a solution? Yes. Is 4, 0 a solution? No. So if you had colored pencils, it makes it easier because you can shade one in one color, one in the other. But if not, just use simple lines going in one direction, like it's almost like grass growing from the ground, and then the lines this way, and then you can see where the overlap is a little bit easier. Okay. This one, we have the same line, 2x plus 4, negative 2x plus 4. So we're going to do there. So there's that line. It's the same line. Now I'm going to test 0, 0. Is 0 less than or equal to 4? Again, yes it is. So I'm going to shade this direction. Now I could use the cover-on method here, but then again, it's very easy to just move this over. Y is greater than or equal to negative 2x minus 2. It's just easy that way. So I'm going to go down to negative 2 and put a dot. And then I'm going to go with a negative 2 slope. So down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, up 2, left 1. Somewhere around there. Okay? Now, what do we notice about the slopes? They're parallel, right? Now, I'm going to test 0, 0. Is 0 greater than negative 2? Yes, it is. So now I'm going to go from this line, I'm going to go this way. So where's the overlap? If one is under the line, one's over the line, the overlap is in between those two. It's that spot in between. And of course, I'm on a roll right now. So back here on this first one, I did forget this should have been a dotted line.
I was going to tell you that.
So that positive slope one should have been a dotted line. So if you just want to erase a couple spots out of this line. Okay, this is a very easy one. Y is less than or equal to negative 3. So that's just going to be a solid line down here. Okay? And there's no testing a point. Less than is where? Above or below?
Below.
Okay? X is greater than 4. Greater than. So it's going to be a dotted line right here. And that's also easy. Which way is greater, right or left? Right. So it's going this way. So where's my area solution?
In the bottom corner.
Down there. Now it says name a solution to the system. Any point down there. So like, 10.
-6.
Pardon me?
-8, -6.
Negative 8, negative 6 would be down here. But positive 8, negative 6 would work.
That's what sign.
That would work. Positive 8, negative 6 would work. 10, negative 10. Whatever. Something down there. Okay, one last one, real quick. Y-intercept of -1. right there. My slope is positive 2, so I'm going to go up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1, down 2, left 1, and so forth. And get a general idea of that line right there. And it's dotted, so I'm just going to go through and do that real quick.
Less.
Okay? There's a dotted line. I'm going to pick a point. It didn't go through the origin, so I'm going to pick 0, 0. 0 is less than negative 1.
Yeah. No.
0 is greater than every negative number. Okay? Therefore, since this is going through negative 1, I'm going to shade this side.
Less.
Because 0, 0 is on the other side. Now this one would be a little bit more work. Since y is by itself, so I'm going to do the cover-up method. I'm going to cover up x. So that's going to give me the point 0 comma something. 6 divided by negative 3 is negative 2. So my y-intercept is right here. I'm going to cover up the y now.
3.
I'm going to cover up the y now, which means I'm putting a 0 for y. X is 3. So that's right here. So now I'm going to draw my line. And they're going to kind of intersect like so. Now I'm going to pick a point. Again, 0, 0 is the easiest point. So 0 is less than or equal to 6. True or false? True. Okay? So that's going to be everything up here. So the area where they both overlap is kind of triangular piece right up in here. That's the overlap. That's your area of answer. That's your answer area. So if we're looking for something that in that area, something easy would be like 10, 10.